So now we're getting ready to start to disassemble so we can get ready for paint. And then ready for a customer.
Strike!
Half and half. Before, after. First coat. Let's get it done. Nice. So now that we got this part done, back to the shop, overhaul almost done. We get ready to put the plastics on it, little touches. Oh, you see it already. Just make it to the front line. Oh yeah. Stunto Fox Christmas, they all gone, man. Where y'all at? Cut that tag off. It's officially sold. Another satisfied customer at one too many Stunto Fox. And it's out of here.
Yeah.
Hey, don't get me in there. I got lots of money, man.
Hey, the stock just went up.
One thing to ask you. So you see it to the camera. You see it.
Yeah.
Let me hear you say you see
I
it.
see it.
You see it.
Thank you guys.
And it's out of here.